Many people struggle with losing weight and burning fat. While there are many diet and exercise programs that can help with weight loss, one natural remedy that has proven effective is lemons. Lemons have been shown to help boost metabolism, increase energy levels, and aid in weight loss. In this video, you will discover 5 ways to use lemon to burn fat faster and achieve your weight loss goal. Lemon and ginger tea. Lemon and ginger tea is one powerful combination that can help you burn fat faster. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce inflammation in your body, improve digestion, and boost your metabolism. To make lemon and ginger tea, simply grate a small piece of ginger and add it to a cup of hot water. Squeeze half a lemon into the cup and stir well. Lemon and ginger tea can also help reduce stress and anxiety, which can be a major factor in weight gain. Additionally, ginger can help improve your blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance, which can help you burn fat faster and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Drink lemon water. One of the easiest ways to lose weight using lemons is to drink lemon water. Drinking lemon water can help in many ways, including boosting your metabolism and detoxing. It's important to note that lemon water by itself may not make you lose weight, but it can complement your weight loss efforts. To prepare lemon water, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass of warm water. Drink this mixture in the morning, on an empty stomach. Lemon water can also be drunk throughout the day, to keep you hydrated and promote weight loss. If the video is being useful to you, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell and click on like. Add lemon to smoothies. Smoothies are a healthy and delicious way to lose weight. Adding lemon to smoothies can enhance its weight loss effects. Lemons add flavor to your smoothies, and also help burn fat faster. To make a lemon smoothie, combine frozen berries, spinach, lemon juice, and Greek yogurt. You can also add honey for extra sweetness. Packed with nutrients, this smoothie is a great way to lose weight. Lemon tea. Another way to use lemon for weight loss is to add it to your tea. Drinking tea has been shown to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Adding lemon to your tea can enhance these benefits. To make lemon tea, brew your favorite tea and add a slice of lemon. You can also squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the tea. Served hot or cold, lemon tea is a great way to stay hydrated while promoting weight loss. Use lemon in salad dressing. Eating salad is a healthy way to lose weight. However, the salad dressing you use can add unnecessary calories to your meal. Using lemon in salad dressings is a healthy and delicious way to add flavor without adding calories. To make lemon salad dressing, mix lemon juice, olive oil, honey, and Dijon mustard in a bowl. You can also add garlic and other herbs for added flavor. Use this dressing on your salads for a healthy and delicious way to lose weight. Lemons are a versatile and powerful fruit that can aid in weight loss when incorporated into a healthy diet and lifestyle. By starting your day with lemon water, adding lemon to salads and dishes, making lemon tea, and making lemon ice cubes, you can harness the power of this citrus fruit to burn fat faster and help you reach your weight loss goals. However, it's important to remember that lemons are not a panacea for weight loss. To achieve sustainable weight loss, you must also develop other healthy habits, such as drinking plenty of water and getting enough sleep, and can increase with regular exercise. Also, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before making any major changes to your diet or exercise program. So, go ahead and add some lemon to your daily routine and see how it can help you on your weight loss journey. I hope you liked it, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family.